How to use split screen feature on Windows 11. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your settings option, and in the settings option you are going to go on the systems. As you go on the set systems, go to multitasking, and over here in the multitasking there is an option of snap windows. You have to turn it on. As you turn the snap windows on, now how to turn the snap windows on while you're using. So you have to open the window and most recent 5 tabs on Edge. This is how you can use this snap windows, or you can do a virtual desktop by going into here and you can search for the taskbar. Now for help, if you need any help over here how to do this thing, you have to go on split screen, my screen, and it will take you to this page and it will show you how to turn on split screen. So this is how you can turn on split screen onto your Windows 11. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.